Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nia, and I'm back with another video. And you know, it is October. It is October. I'm late. It's like October 21st. I'm just now doing a video this month, but I'm trying to get better, y'all. I'm trying to get better. But it's October, and I had to, you know, do a look. I was gonna come on here and do a, you know, neutral fall look because that's what I like wearing. But I was like, scratch that. No, we're not doing that today. No, I'll probably just call it like a purple blue smoky eye. You guys see like that little, I guess, shiny shade in my crease. It's kind of like a Alyssa Ashley peekaboo look, because you know how she has hooded eyes, and she did a little like a cut crease right in the middle of her crease, and you couldn't see it until like she looked down. So that's where I got that little peekaboo look from. So yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, let's get right into the video. So now that I have the concealer on my eye, I'm going in with my Morphe Dare to Create palette, which is the 39A. So I'm going in with this color right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going in with this tan color right here on the first one. And I think these are supposed to be their like transition colors. And I'm just patting this color on here because the concealer is still wet and you don't want to smear it off to take the product off. So I'm just setting this all over my lid. Okay, so now that I have my base all set, I'm going to take this peachy color out this same palette. I guess it's like a, I guess it would be like a peachy coral color. Look, right here. And I just dip back into the color just to deepen up the color just a little bit. You guys, so I forgot I had the names right here. So let me tell you the name of the transition color I used so you guys know. The name was Vivid. So the name of the transition color that I use is Vivid, guys. I'm sorry, I forgot I had the little slip with the names on it. Duh. Now I'm going into my second color using a different blending brush, and I'm taking the color Passion. You guys, I love this color. Passion has to be like my favorite color out the palette. I don't know, it just gives me good vibes for this color. And you just want to keep adding to the color. You just want to keep dipping back into the same color just to deepen up the crease a little bit and give it that definition that you want. Going back into my transition color, I'm going to blend the two colors together. Okay, so now with my smudge brush, I'm taking the color Forever to deepen my crease a little bit more. It's time to cut your crease, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. Going back into the color Forever, and I'm just going to blend this out on the end just so it doesn't look too bad and harsh. Now I'm going in the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use the blue color out of this palette. If you guys can see, this is the blue color I'm going in with. Now I'm just going to blend these two colors together so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so I'm going to dip back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to take a tad bit on this small brush, and I'm going to line that outline. I'm going to outline my crease line. Did that make sense? Going back into the Dare to Create palette, I'm going to take the color Taylor and pat this right into my crease. Okay, so I took my flat brush and I just tapped into the white shade in the Morphe 35B palette, and I put that in the corner of my eye. Just to like give the blue kind of a gradient effect. So I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera because I cannot do eyeliner on camera. Like, I really have to focus on my eyeliner. So I'll be back in a second. And I am done with my eyeliner, and I put on my other lash. Now I'm taking my Smashbox primerizer, and I got this little, like, I guess sample or travel size box because it actually came in this box in real cheap. I told you guys I'm cheap. So I bought this box where like the primerizer, the primer water, which I haven't used before, and a photo finish primer all came in the little travel sizes. It was originally supposed to be $45, but it was on sale for $22. I always use the Smashbox photo finish primer because it's like my favorite primer of all times, and it's like $39 by itself. So I was just like, why not get all three in travel sizes and try them for $22? So I'm gonna take the Smashbox primerizer and prime my face. I feel like my face is like so hydrated right now. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going in with the Sephora 10 hour wear perfection foundation, and it's in the color Deep Fonce Deep, which is number 57. And this is my favorite foundation because actually I think in my first video that I did a year ago, I was still using this, and this is still my favorite foundation to go with. Put this baby onto my skin. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep, I'm going to conceal my eyes. I'm going to conceal these bags because insomnia is real. And for contour, I'm going to take Black Opal True Color in the color Ebony Brown. And I think this is like the deepest color they have. I have the Black Walnut, but for contour, I thought it was too close to my skin color. So I purchased a deeper color. Okay, fun fact, you guys, I was supposed to post another makeup video, and it was like a blue, almost like a blue black smoky eye, and I deleted the whole video because I had put on my cream contour, and like at the bottom of my chin, I completely forgot to blend it out, and like you would think I would see it in the mirror, but no. I kept going until I finished the whole video, and then when I was editing, I played it back and I was like, oh my gosh. So I had deleted a whole another makeup look because I didn't blend my contour out. To set my eyes, I'm taking Fit Me by Maybelline in the color Deep, which is the number 35. This has to be my favorite setting powder because it makes it look like your under eyes look so smooth. Like before this, I was using the Sacha Buttercup, and The Sasha Buttercup did make me look too yellow at times when I put way too much on. But this one is closer to my color, so I always get some in my hair. Like, it never fails. I always get some in my hair. But anyways, the Sasha Buttercup did make me look yellow at times when I put too much or I baked. So I tried not to bake anymore. And Nikki Tutorials actually got me onto this because I was like, I see that powder all the time, but it never caught my eye. Now that my under eyes are set, I'm going back into the palette. I'm using the same transition color that we used on our eyes to smoke the under eye. Now I'm going to take the color Passion out of the palette and put it closer to my waterline. Guys, I feel like this is like the hardest part for me because I don't know why, but I always stick my eye. Okay, so my brow bone shade, I went with the Urban Decay Afterglow, and I used one of my highlighters from this palette. Oh snap, what color did I use? Oh, okay, so I used the color Wicked in the palette and pop this right into my brow bone. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Morphe Bronzer palette. Isn't it so cute? So, of course, this is bronzer, and then this is, I was going to say concealer, contour. And I'm just going to take the bronzer out of it. And for blush, I'm going to take my Morphe Blush Trio, and I'm going to use the color Hustle. And for highlighter, I'm going to take my old Trusty Dusty highlighter from by Tarte, and it is in the color Stunner. So for the lips, I do not know what I want to do, so give me a second. Let me play in my lipsticks because I don't know what color I want to use. No. Too basic.
You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe.
Alright, you guys, so after like 10-20 minutes trying to pick out a color to wear on my lips, I went with my NYX Liquid Cream Lipsticks, and the colors I used was this dark purpley shade. This color is called Foul Mouth. And then I took this bright blue shade, and it's called Little Denim Dress. And I put that in the middle. So this is my look, you guys. I hope you guys like this look that I did. You guys, I almost forgot to set my face. So I'm going in with the Smashbox primer water, and I'm just going to set my face real quick. Oh, well, let me do some test pumps. Okay. That smells good. She poppin', sis poppin'. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really love how this look came out. I had so much fun doing this look with you guys. I hope you guys clear throat. But I decided to switch it up and be cute today in my bluish, I don't even know what to call this look, but I'm gonna call it blue purple smoky eye. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below any more looks you would like to see me do, or even some makeup challenges. I'm down for some challenges. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You could be here, but you're there.